This video features highlights of our visit to Hilton Head Island. Hilton Head is a barrier island in the low country of South Carolina. A good starting point upon arriving on the island is the Coastal Discovery Museum, which is located on 68 acres. This organization is committed to protect and preserve the low country wildlife, history, and culture. For us, Hilton Head is all about the beach, of which there are 12 miles of beaches to enjoy. Keep an eye out for turtle nests, where 400-pound loggerhead sea turtles come ashore to lay their eggs each year. The island's Sea Turtle Patrol marks and monitors each site. First-time visitors may find touring the island to be somewhat challenging. 70% of the island is in gated communities. The island was originally divided into plantations and villages including Palmetto Dunes, Shelter Cove, Sea Pines, Harbor Town, South Beach, and where today you can find restaurants, shops, and lodging. At Shelter Cove, there is a variety of shops and restaurants as well as live entertainment.
That's right, go hug your parents. That'll guarantee you an ice cream later.
Mother Nature was providing some of her own fireworks before the weekly firework display on Tuesday nights. Bring a flashlight for beachcombing at night. You might be fortunate enough to encounter loggerhead turtle hatchlings heading for the ocean. On this ride, we are heading south to Coligny Beach and Plaza for some additional shopping and dining options. One of the best ways to navigate the island is by bike. The island is 12 miles long by 5 miles wide, so you are never too far from anywhere. With an extensive network of bike paths, you can travel without concerns of congestion or traffic while enjoying beautiful scenery. You will encounter alligators in the island's ponds. This is the Man Walks with Gator found at Compass Rose Park. Sea Pines is a 5,000-acre community and preserve which includes Harbor Town and South Beach Marina Village, with additional golfing, dining, shopping, entertainment, and lodging. Horseback riding if available at Lawton Stables. This is Harbor Town. Here is South Beach. There are more than 30 parks on the island, along with a lot of history to explore. The Stony Baynard ruins are remnants of a plantation in Sea Pines that was built in the early 1800s by a Revolutionary War captain. It served as the Civil War headquarters, along with 4 forts that were built on the island. This is the historic Mitchellville Freedom Park, which was the site of the first town established for freed slaves in the country. Other dining suggestions for some good seafood among the 250 restaurants on the island include Hudson's Seafood House on the docks and the Old Oyster Factory. This is Palmetto Dunes. Golfing is another appeal of the island with dozens of courses to play on. Within the 2,000-acre Palmetto Dunes are 3 of the island's golf courses and an 11-mile lagoon system, which is great for kayaking. Hilton Head carefully manages development to minimize impact in an ecologically mindful way. Hilton Head Outfitters can set you up for pretty much any of your outdoor adventures. We stayed at the Hilton Beachfront Hotel. This completes this visit to Hilton Head Island. Thank you for watching.